Hi everyone, thank you for watching our N World Business presentation. This is Lourdes Galang from Unstoppable World team. I'm here to present to you the N World Marketing Plan. Okay, for a start, let me tell you about a short introduction about our company. It's AlphaNet World Corporation, or better known as N World. It's a new MLM company that has just been recently launched last August 1, 2015. So just to let you know, nasa pioneering stage pa po kami and our grand launch will be happening by October pa. And our owner is Mr. Luis Alan Nolasco. N World, okay, is engaged in the marketing of premium health and beauty products. So our main products are health supplements and beauty products, cosmetic products. The method of product distribution that we use is through direct selling, or if you're familiar with multi-level marketing or network marketing. Now, our company is duly incorporated and registered on July 9, 2015 with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and our company has a paid-up capital of 100 million pesos. So, Mr. Luis Alan Nolasco has invested 100 million pesos in this business. Okay, so ito naman po yung mga legal documents showing that we are duly registered. So our company is legit and legal. So if you ask if our company has the necessary papers or documents for us to operate with the business, then we do have all the legal papers and documentations that you'd be needing for. Okay, so our president and CEO is Mr. Luis Alan Nolasco. He has been in the network marketing industry for 15 years already, so he's very experienced and he really has a good character. And from his previous companies that he has been the previous president, he really had a good reputation, and yung success po na nagawa niya sa mga previous MLM companies that he has been with, obviously po, since ito na po yung sarili niyang company, mas greater pa po ang gagawin niya dito sa sarili niyang kumpanya. So he has big dreams and big goals for this company, and he would like to share that to you, fellow network marketers, and for those people who for the first time are interested to join a multi-level marketing company, this is the best time that you could actually decide to join in this kind of industry dahil nasa pioneering stage. It's a new MLM company. We have a great leader, we have a good president, and we have a good owner who will take care of us. Okay, so our company's vision is to become one of the leading direct sales companies in Asia by 2018. So it's not just our vision to become the leading direct sales companies dito po sa Pilipinas, but in the whole of Asia by 2018. And the way for us to do that is that we pay the right taxes to the government. And obviously, because the company is going to earn big and we're going to be able to pay, big amount of taxes to the government would obviously notice us at makikilala po yung MLM industry na merong malaking pakinabang sa pagbabayad ng taxes na nakakatulong po sa ating gobyerno. And with that, we envision ourselves to be known as a professional network marketers in an MLM industry that would be known as a profession. So, hindi po siya yung basta-bastang business na tinitignan as a scam or hindi legal. So this time, we want to change the culture of the MLM industry. So this time, we want to change the culture of the MLM industry, especially here in the Philippines, that MLM or network marketing is actually a profession, and this is a profession where you can earn really big. Now, one of the mission of the company as well is to run our business with sound corporate governance with high moral values. So we do have what we call the 5-point mission. And obviously, number one is to our clientele. So we want to provide world-class and value-for-money products with optimum quality. Okay, so magpo-provide po tayo ng products na world-class. Yung tipong pag ginamit po ng mga clients or mga customers natin, uulit po sila ng orders, magre-repeat orders po sila sa atin kasi talagang effective yung product at talagang merong quality. Okay? And then, our second mission is to our independent distributors. So, tayo po na magjo-join sa company na to and who will become independent distributors. Okay? Our company's mission is for us to enjoy the financial rewards of our innovative, dynamic, sustainable, and profitable business. So, we are looking here for a long-term kind of business. Hindi siya yung tipong nag-open for 2 years, after 2 years magsasarada na. So, dito po, ang mission po ng company is to provide us a long-term business where it will provide a long-term resource for our income and yung financial rewards na pwede po natin makuha. Obviously, yung income and yung sustainable. So, masosustain po yung klase ng lifestyle or income na kailangan po natin from the company or even more than that. And our mission to our shareholders is to provide profitable, sustainable, and stable business model that will bring dignity and goodwill to them and their investment in this company. So, as I've mentioned, we want to create professionalism in our industry. And one of our missions is that, someday when people know that we are in the network marketing business or we are part of the N World Corporation or Alpha Network Corporation, kikilalanin po tayo as someone who is professional. Hindi po tayo mahihiya na aaminin that we are N World distributors kasi we have created a significance in the industry na talagang stable ang business natin, profitable, kumikita tayo dito, sustainable. So, for long term po talaga siya. And ginagawa po natin yung business na maayos with dignity and goodwill kasi wala tayong niloloko na tao, legal yung company natin, maganda yung mga products natin, may quality, effective talaga siya. So, hindi iisipin na hindi professional ang business na ginagawa mo or hindi ka professional mismo. And then, another mission, okay, na sa lahat po siguro ng MLM companies that I have seen, especially here in the Philippines, ito po yung one thing I think that's missing is for a company to have a corporate social responsibility, especially sa mga MLM companies po na talagang kumikita ng malaki. So, ang N-World po ay merong mission to give back to the community a share of our financial rewards through a genuine and relevant corporate social responsibility programs. Ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Ang ibig sabihin po nito, sa bawat product na nabibenta po natin, merong portion doon na ilalagay po sa corporate social responsibility programs natin. Kumbaga may pondo po yun. Na let's say for example, magkaroon ng bagyo at merong mga kumbaga nangangailangan ng tulong or nagkaroon ng calamity. So, yung N-World po, since meron siyang corporate social responsibility program at dahil may nakukuha po na portion dun sa sales natin, ready po tayo or ready po agad ang N-World Company na magbigay ng tulong dun sa mga nangangailangan, especially dun sa mga masasalanta ng mga calamity fund or dun sa mga charity works or organizations na kailangan ng additional funding. So, just bear in mind na while you're doing this business and while you're also patronizing our products from N-World, you're actually helping the people who would actually be needing help from the funds. So the more we sell, the more we help, and the more that customers buy from us, then those customers are able to help other people as well. And I'm sure marami dito na kaya pumapasok din sa ganitong industry or sa ganitong business is because we want to help other people. Kasi innate na sa atin yan lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, di ba? Especially sa mga OFW, parang innate na sa mga OFWs natin na tumulong sa ibang tao or sa kapwa OFW kasi ganun na yung ginagawa natin sa pamilya natin, di ba? Nagpapadala tayo ng pera sa kanila kasi gusto talaga natin na matulungan ng pamilya natin na magkaroon din ng magandang buhay. So just remember that na one of the mission of N-World is to give back to our community. So, hindi natin kailangan mag-antay na magkaroon pa ng donation or manghingi pa tayo kasi yung company po mismo, gumawa na po ng program wherein kapag may nangailangan ng tulong, part of our sales goes into that funding and available na po kagad yung funding na yun sa mga tao nangangailangan ng tulong. Okay, and the last mission that we have is to our government, okay, to be a partner of the government in its nation-building thrust by being an advocate of lawful business practices. And we are very aware na ang dami pong lumalabas ng mga investment scams or pyramiding schemes, kaya nagiging negative po ang tingin sa MLM industry. Now, with N-World, we want to make a significance, especially here in the Philippines, sa MLM industry, that this is actually a profession. Ang multi-level marketing is actually a good profession. So, kinikilala po talaga itong network marketing industry na to sa ibang bansa. And, yun po ang aim ng N-World, okay? Na kilalanan ng government natin ang MLM industry as a legit kind of business by being an advocate of lawful business practices. So, gagawin po natin yung tama where we will pay the right taxes, okay, and we will follow, okay, the business practices, kung ano po yung rules ng government when it comes to dealing business or doing business, then we abide those rules. So, yun po yung another mission ng N-World na if you would compare it to other MLM companies, ang most focus po nila dyan is for you to earn money and for you to sell the products or for you to use the products. I mean, it's also the mission of N-World. Pero yung etong dalawang importante na to, for us to be able to give back to the community and for us to pay the right taxes to the government and follow the lawful business practices, this is one thing na hindi ko pa po nakikita from other MLM companies na naitayo na po or na nagsimula na po or existing already. Okay, so this is our corporate governance values. Okay, kung i-shortcut mo siya, we want our entrepreneurs or gusto namin na lahat ng papasok na independent distributors dito sa N-World, more than the income itself that you will earn and more than the financial rewards or incentives that you will gain from the company is also focused on molding the character that you have. And the character that the company wants you to have is to be righteous, wherein you practice respect, integrity, gratitude, honor, transparency, excellence, outstanding, unwavering, and significance. So, importante po ito. And, coming from President Julius Luis himself, when you have good character and leadership, wherever you go, your followers, your downlines, or your group will follow you because they know that you have a good character and leadership and you will be able to lead them. Okay. Now, we're going to be opening headquarters, okay, within this year. And our headquarters will be in Manila. So, ito po yung pinaka-headquarter natin dito sa Manila. It's in Ortigas. It's in Ortigas, Pasig City, sa Belvedere Tower. And we're gonna be opening up centers in Cebu as well. Headquarters in Pampanga, Davao, Baguio, and Zamboanga. We don't have a specific date yet, but this will all be opened by the year 2015. And then soon to open branches, okay, for the first quarter of 2016. We'll be having in Pangasinan, Tarlac, Laguna, Las Piñas, Cavite, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Ormoc City, Leyte, Tagum City, and Davao del Norte. Okay. Now, you might be wondering kung bakit ang bilis mag-open ng branches and bakit yung headquarters 6 kagad ang i-open. It's because N-World wants to give you the convenience na kahit wala ka pang team or wala pang distributors within that area, may office na available ang N-World para tumanggap ng pay-ins, para maging 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 professional yung pag-deal sa mga transactions natin. And this is really a big investment of the company kasi knowing na wala pa namang ganun kalaking distributors kasi pioneering pa lang tayo, bago pa lang yung company. But it's one way of showing that that our president is really investing in this company, in this business, and he would want it to have the convenience. Kasi 'di ba, usually kapag ganito, tinatanong natin, may malapit pa na office dito. Let's say for example, kung taga Pangasinan ka, meron bang office dito sa Pangasinan? So the company is giving to you that, privilege and that convenience na i-open namin tong mga branches na to at mga headquarters na to para maging available sa inyo. So once you decide to do the business and work with us, meron na po tayong available na office or branch dun sa lugar ninyo. Okay, so hindi kayo mahihirapan na mag-purchase ng packages, hindi kayo mahihirapan na gumawa ng business transactions because we have offices available already by this year 2015 and the first quarter of 2016. Okay, so here are the N-World products. Now, we have the cosmetic products. It's what we call the Enlighten. So, we have the Enlighten Eye Gel. This is good for the eye, lalo na sa may mga eye bags na gustong matanggal yung mga eye bags nila. And we also have the Enlighten CC Cushion. We have the Enlighten Cloud Cream. So, lahat ito talagang pampaganda ng mukha. So, kung mahilig ka magpaganda at bumibili ka ng mga produkto, okay, na pampaganda, pero puro gastos lang. This time, you can purchase products, okay, na pampaganda, na gustong-gusto mo din, but with a discount when you become a distributor, and at the same time, you'll have the opportunity to earn. So, I think mas maganda yon na imbes na gumagastos ka lang kakabili ng pampagandang produkto, why not make it an opportunity as well for you to be able to earn income from what you love doing, 'di ba? So, kung hilig mo talaga na magpaganda ka, make an investment in yourself wherein you'll be a great testimony pag ginamit mo yung mga products natin at nakita nila sa yung effect. And then you could refer them, or you could sell to them the products that you're using so that you could also earn money. Okay, so another set of cosmetic products from the Enlighten product line is the Enlighten Body Cream. We also have the Enlighten Underarm Cream, and we also have the Enlighten O2 Bubble. Okay, and another line of cosmetic products from our Enlighten product line is the Enlighten Kojic Papaya with Gluta. So as you can see, pinag-combine na po namin ng Kojic Papaya at Glutathione soap. So at least hindi ka na mahihirapan na gumamit ng dalawang soap. Sa isang soap pa lang, nakuha mo na yung Kojic Papaya and Glutathione at the same time, diba? So we also have the Enlighten Facial Cleanser. And we also have the Enlighten Premium Soap, which has collagen. So, very exciting. And then we also have the N-World products, na food supplements naman. We have the COQ10. This is good for the heart, okay? So, I mean, kung maganda ka outside, dapat maganda ka rin inside. And for you to be beautiful inside, you have to have a good heart. And when we say you have to have a good heart, dapat nagpa-function yung heart mo ng maayos. And COQ10 as a food supplement is very good in the sense na it will keep your heart healthy. Okay, so dapat nag-glow ka inside and out. And we also have what we call the L-glutathione plus collagen. Okay, I'm sure this will really be a good selling product because marami akong nakikita sa market who are using collagen pero separate siya sa glutathione. So what we did is to combine L-glutathione plus collagen. And we also have Memagrow, especially sa mga mommies, okay, who wants to give multivitamins to their kids at para ma-enhance pa yung memory. And I'm sure your kids will love this kasi my son was actually asking me to buy him a Memo Plus kasi nakakainganyo, di ba? Gusto ng mga bata talagang ma-enhance pa yung memory nila, yung ability, yung skills nila. So this would be a good selling product for the kids as well and for the mommies who wants to look after their kids. Okay, so now we go to the part where a lot of you are, I think, excited to really know about how do I join? Paano ako magiging independent distributor niyan? Gusto ko yung mga products nyo at gusto ko rin kumita. So this is the way, okay, on how you can join to be a part of our team and to be part of the N World business program. So what you need to do to be to be an N World independent distributor is for you to attend an N World business presentation conducted by our entrepreneur. So I am an entrepreneur. My name is Lourdes Galang, and I'm part of Unstoppable World team. And this is the N World business presentation. So you're already watching the N World business presentation. If you're an OFW or malayo ka pa sa magiging headquarters namin. So while you're watching this, just, take note and any questions that you have so we can answer that. And then later on, you can decide, okay, which packages or what products you would want to order from us, or kung ilang accounts ang gusto mong kuhain for you to be an independent distributor. Now, second part is for you to submit a duly filled out distributor's application form. So, as soon as you contact us and as soon as you make that decision na, okay, I want to join your team, I want to be part of this business, and I want to do the business as well, we'll be sending you the distributor's application form, or we can send you the link. So you'll just have to contact us either through email or through our FB page or through SMS or Viber, okay? We'll be putting down the details, how you can reach us. Number 3 is for you to accumulate 1,050 product points, okay? Now, there's 2 ways wherein you can accumulate 1,050 product points. Okay, now for you to become an independent distributor, you could either do the retail, okay, wherein you're going to be a retailer when you buy a retailer's kit worth 500 pesos. Okay, so bibili ka lang ng retailer kit na 500 pesos, and ito yung mga benefits na may enjoy mo once you become a retailer. For 500 pesos lang, you will have a discount of 10% on all products of N-World. Okay, so you're going to have 10% discount on all N-World products. Okay, now, aside from that, you will also get 500 pesos worth of in-house products. Okay, so sa 500 pesos mo, naging retailer ka na, may 10% discount ka pa, and at the same time, may makukuha ka pang products na 500 pesos worth. Okay? And then you will get an accident insurance coverage of up to 100,000 pesos, and that's good for 1 year. Okay? And then habang isa kang retailer, you could start accumulating 1,050 product points from your personal purchases. So meaning, pag syempre nagustuhan mo yung product ng N-World as a retailer, ginagamit mo siya, tapos bibili ka ulit. So habang bumibili, nakakaipon ka ng 1,050 product points. So, lahat po ng products ng N-World may corresponding personal product points po yun. Okay? And, kinocompute po yun ng system automatically under sa name mo. Okay? So, under sa back office account mo, makikita mo yun. Okay. Now, yung personal purchases mo, it doesn't mean na ikaw lang naman ang gagamit nun. Pwedeng you personally purchase it, and then what you can do is you can sell it to other people, sa mga family or friends mo na gusto ring gumamit ng produkto. And what's good about it is that because you get 10% discount every time you purchase, pwede mo sa kanilang ibenta sa suggested retail price, and then you get, a sale or a retail sales for that, which is 10%. So, kunyari, ang sabon ay 200 pesos, and then you get a 10% discount. So, meron kang 20 pesos na discount. So, pag binenta mo sa isang tao yung isang sabon, meron ka ng 20 pesos na kikitain. Okay? So, para ka lang naging reseller. Lalo-lalo na sa mga nagbibenta na talaga online or mahilig magbenta, malaki pa rin ang kikitain mo as a retailer. And kaka-personal purchase mo, kakaipon mo pag naipon mo na yung 1,050 product points, then you will become an independent distributor as well. The second one, okay, the second way for you to be an N-World independent distributor is for you to buy an N-World package with 10% discount and enjoy the following. So you'll get 16,000 pesos worth of products and standard marketing tools. So, kasama na sa package mo yung 16,000 worth of products and mga marketing tools na kakailanganin mo for you to do the business. And you will get a company ID with an authority to purchase products with up to 25% discount. So, sa wholesale, 25% discount ang makukuha mo sa lahat ng N-World products. Okay? And then you will also get an N-World tracking center. When you say an N-World tracking center, it's a unique ID number that is registered sa server po ng N-World na mag-a-allow sa'yo to access and monitor your transactions. O, diba, parang nagkaroon ng online shop kasi makikita mo yung sales activity mo. Ilan na yung nabibenta mo, ilan na yung bumibili sa'yo, at kapag nakapag-sponsor ka ng mga tao, which is going to be your downlines, makikita mo, mamomonitor mo din yung sales nila. Okay, so, kumbaga, this is an instant business for you kapag naging independent distributor ka ng N-World. So, just to recap, you get up to 25% discount sa lahat ng products. You get a company ID, and then you get up to total of 16,000 worth of products and standard marketing tools. At meron kang business, magkakaroon ka na ng instant business where you can track it in our back office account or server. So, here are the packages of N-World. Pwede kang mamili sa dalawang package na to kung alin dito ang kukunin mo if you decide to go for the wholesale. Na gusto ko kagad maging wholesaler ako, gusto ko kagad makuha ko yung 25% discount, at gusto ko kagad na meron akong instant business. So, ito po yung pagpipilian nyo. We have the N-World Platinum Package. Ito po yung standard retail price niya is 16,000 pesos, meaning 16,000 pesos worth of products po makukuha ninyo. Okay? And ang retailer's price natin, let's say for example, bumili ka ng retail which is 500 pesos. So, magkakaroon ka ng 10% discount. So, pag bumili ka ngayon ng N-World Platinum Package, 14,400 pesos na lang po ang kailangan mong bayaran. Pero, 16,000 pesos worth of N-World products pa rin po makukuha mo. And then, what's more good about this is that once you become an independent distributor, kunyari, bumili ka na ng 14,400, isang package, at gusto mo pang dagdagan kasi nakikita mo na malaki talaga yung potential ng business na to at gusto mo talagang kumita at i-maximize ang iyong magiging earnings. So, pwede mong gawin, pwede ka ulit bumili ng another package. So, it's up to you kung ilang packages ang gusto mong bilhin. If you want to buy 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, bahala ka. You decide. So, ang next package mo would only be priced at 12,800 pesos kasi may discount ka na ulit as an independent distributor. So, yung succeeding accounts, packages na gusto mong bilhin, kung 7 packages man yan, you'll only have to pay 12,800 pesos as long as nagbayad ka na ng 14,400 pesos for your first package. Okay, diba? So, that's really a good news for you guys na network marketers na or first time na gustong pumasok sa business na to pero nakikita yung huge potential ng magiging earnings nila, you can go for multiple accounts or multiple heads. Second package that we have is the gold package. Okay, so ito 10,000 pesos ang worth of products na makukuha mo. So that's a standard retail price. But when you buy the retail, which is 500 pesos, so that's just gonna be 9,000 pesos. So that's gonna be the retailer's price because you get 10% discount, right? So from 10,000 minus 1,000 is the 10% discount. If you buy the 500 retail, 9,000 pesos na lang ang babayaran mo for your first package. And ganito rin po dito. If you want to get multiple packages or multiple accounts, yung next na packages po na bibilhin nyo would only be worth at 8,000 pesos kasi meron ka ng independent distributor's price. Okay? So, 9,000 pesos muna sa first package na bibilhin mo na gold package, and then after that, once you become an independent distributor, 8,000 pesos na po ang magiging price ng lahat ng packages na bibilhin mo under your own name. Okay? So, eto po, applicable lang po itong independent distributor's price if it is under your own name. Pero, kapag mag-asawa kayo, tapos, yung asawa mo, gusto mo rin kuhaan ng package, kailangan doon sa unang package po ng asawa nyo or kapamilya mo na gusto mong bigyan ng ganitong negosyo, pag first time po talaga nabibili under their name, they still have to pay the retailer's price which is 9,000 or kung sa platinum package, yung 14,400. Tapos, kapag gusto na nilang bilhan ulit yung account nila, ng additional din, yun na po yung magiging 12,800. Basta first time na bibili ng package for independent distributorship and under sa isang name lang po. Okay? Hindi po transferable yung yung discount natin as an independent distributor. So yun lang po yung tatandaan natin pag first time at saka under sa isang name 14,400 sa platinum at saka 9,000 sa gold. Pero after nun, as long as it's under your own name ulit ang bibilhan mo ng package, then you will get your independent distributor's price, which is the 12,800 para sa platinum and 8,000 para sa gold package. Now, if you're asking, anong packages, anong options, or anong mga Enrolled products ang nakalagay dyan? Ang maganda po dito sa platinum package at sa gold package po natin, you can choose as long as you have 5 different Enrolled products included on your package. O, diba maganda? Kasi hindi ka kailangan matali sa kung anong package ang ginawa ng company. Kasi ikaw ang you're the one who's going to choose your own products na gusto mong nakalagay doon. Kasi pwedeng, gusto ko itong product na to lang. Tapos, gusto ko itong product na to lang. Basta 5 Enrolled different products lang i-include mo dun sa package. Na worth na 16,000 pesos para sa platinum package and worth na 10,000 worth of products sa gold package. Okay, so dito na po tayo. I'm sure excited na kayo. Paano ba talaga kikita dyan? How will I earn? At talagang kaya ko ba talagang kumita dyan? Meron ba talaga akong kikitain dyan? So, ito po. As an independent distributor, you can earn and benefit through the following. So, pinasimple na lang po namin yung steps. It's just as simple as 1, 2, 3. So, first way that you will earn is through personal sales. Second is through team sales rebates. And then third is through our incentives program. Okay. So, personal sales po natin, as I've mentioned a while ago, okay, every time po pag nag-sign up po kayo sa independent distributor, you get 25% discount on all products. So, let's say for example, ito po, ang Enlightened Papaya with glutathione soap is worth 200 pesos. Yun po yung suggested retail price. Sabihin na natin, effective yung ating soap, nakabenta ka ng 20 bars of soap ng Enlightened Papaya with glutathione. So, ang total po niyan, na sales nyo is 4,000 pesos. Okay? Now, ang wholesale price is 150 pesos. Kasi, di ba, you get 25% discount. So, pag tinimes natin yan sa 20, ang total na binayaran mo lang talaga nung binili mo tong produkto sa independent distributor sa Enworld ay 3,000 pesos. So, kung ima-minus natin yan sa total sales mo na 4,000 pesos with the suggested retail price, you actually get a total of 1,000 pesos as your net income. Okay? Diba? Yung 1,000 pesos for an employee, parang 2 to 3 days na niyang pagtatrabahuhan yan. Pero if in a day or if in 2 days nakabenta ka ng 20 na sabon, you actually get a net income of 1,000 pesos. And then, another example here is the Enlightened Cloud Cream. So, ang suggested retail price po ng Enlightened Cloud Cream is 1,450 pesos. Now, let's say nakabenta ka in a month in a week, okay, ng 10 na Enlightened Cloud Cream. So, that's a total of 14,500 pesos total of sales. Now, ang wholesale price niyan, because you're an independent distributor, is 1,087.50 cents. So, i-times 10 din natin, ang total wholesale price, ito yung binayaran mo nung bumili ka sa Enworld ng produkto na Enlightened Cloud Cream. That's 10,875 pesos. Kumbaga, yan yung puhunan mo. Now, pag i-minus natin yan doon sa naging total sales mo nung nagbenta ka na, then your total net income is worth 3,625 pesos. So, kung in a week nakabenta ka ng 10, you have 3,625 pesos as your net income. And just imagine if you're going to be selling every week na 10 ang Enlightened Cloud Cream na nabibenta mo, i-times mo yung 3,625 sa 4 weeks, you're gonna be having around 13 to 14,000 pesos of net income. Isang product pa lang po yan ng Enworld ang binibenta mo, 'di ba? And I'm telling you, ang products po na ito, if you would research in the market, napakabenta po ng papaya soap, glutathione, at saka yung mga Korean-made products. And ang ano po natin, ang Emerald products natin is actually patterned siya sa mga Korean products na ginagamit. So, talagang pampaganda. And alam mo sa market ngayon na marami ang gumagamit ng mga ganitong produkto. Kasi syempre, di ba, lahat naman tayo gusto nating gumanda, pumuti, di ba? So, very, very saleable tong mga products ng N-World and hindi ka mahihirapan na i-offer to. Ikaw lang ang gumamit nito. I'm sure pag pumuti ka, in 2 days or 3 days time sila na magtatanong sa'yo kung anong ginagamit mo. So, mahihirapan ka pa ba na i-alok yon? Hindi na, di ba? Kasi sila na mismo magtatanong kung anong ginagamit mo because they would also want to use whatever soap or whatever cream you are using. And believe me, you know, if you use yourself as a testimony, hindi mo mafe-feel na nagbebenta ka because you are just actually sharing your testimony at sinishare mo lang kung ano yung produkto na effective sa'yo at nagagamit mo talaga. Okay, so yan ang computation po natin sa personal sales na pwede mong kitain. And then aside from that is that we earn 10% product package rebates, okay, from the suggested retail price of the N-World packages. So eto na, diba meron tayong dalawang klase ng packages which is the platinum and the gold package. Ngayon, kapag nakakabenta ka ng platinum package, okay, we get 1,600 pesos package rebates. So, meaning, kapag nakabenta ka ng platinum package rebates, equivalent yan sa 1,600 pesos na komisyon. Okay? Let's say, for example, dito na sa example ko, platinum package sales mo, nakabenta ka ng 10 na platinum package sales. Wherein, madami din gustong gumawa ng business, 'di ba? Naging interesado sila at gusto rin nilang gawin ng business and kumuha sila ng tig-isang platinum package and 10 in a week ang kumuha ng platinum package sa'yo. Now, just look at this. 16,000 pesos agad yun. Kasi 1,600 pesos ang commission mo kada isang platinum package and times 10 mo yun, you get 16,000 pesos of platinum package rebates. Not bad. Kasi if you would compare this sa mga, employer, if you're an employer right now, I'm sure yung 16,000 pesos, that could be like a month's earning for someone or for you, 'di ba? Pero ito, if in a week you're able to sell 10 platinum packages, that's 16,000 a week. And times mo sa 4 yan, how much would you be earning in a month's time? So I'm sure malalagpasan niya kung magkano yung income mo in a month, kung nasa bracket ka ng 16,000 a month, ha? Okay, so ang total niyan in 4 weeks is 64,000 pesos. Platinum package rebates pa lang po pinag-uusapan natin dito. It's just the first way of how you can earn with N-World. Now, let's move on to the binary program. So, aside from that, okay, we have what we call the binary program. So, ikaw, let's say for example, you have 2 friends. And yung isang friend mo, gusto niyang gamitin yung products, gusto niya na may discount siya. So, kumuha siya ng platinum package sa'yo. So, that's equivalent to 1,050 product points. So, lahat po ng binibenta natin dito may equivalent na product points at saka multi-level points. So, just to show you, okay, we have the multi-level points at saka yung product points value. So, malalaman nyo po kung ano yung mga value ng mga points ng bawat product at saka ng bawat packages. Pero sa ating packages, pag platinum package po, we have a product points value of 1,050. So, dito sa illustration natin sa binary program, meron kang isang kakilala or someone who purchased the platinum package. So, nilagay mo siya sa team A mo. So, you got 1,050 points sa team A. And then, sa team B, meron ding isang bumili pa sa'yo ng platinum package. So, nilagay mo din siya doon sa team B. So, that's 1,050 product points plus 1,050 product points kasi magmamatch po yan sa system natin. You're going to have your first sales match bonus of 2,100 pesos. Okay? Now, ang maximum po natin in a day is up to 7 pairs, okay, which is 7 sales match bonuses. So, meaning, pwede kang kumita ng 2,100 pesos times 7 pairs in a day. So, as long as merong nagmamatch sa team A mo tsaka sa team B mo up to 7 pairs, then you get 2,100 pesos, okay. Now, ano pong computation ng maximum income potential po dito pag ganito? na kumikita ka ng 2,100 kada may bumibili po sa'yo ng platinum package sa Team A mo at sa Team B mo. Okay, ito po yung maximum income potential. Yung 2,100 pesos mo, i-times 7 natin yan. Kasi let's say, for example, 7 pairs in a day ang kumuha sa'yo. So, that's like 14 na platinum packages. Equals 14,700 pesos per day. Okay? So, yan po yung potential na income mo pag nagkaroon ka ng 7 pairs. Tapos, ang maganda pa po dito sa N-World, ginawa pong 2 cycles per day. So, what do we mean by 2 cycles per day? Meaning to say, di ba we have 24 hours in a day? Okay? Now, hahatiin po natin yung 24 hours sa tig to 12 hours. So, yung 12 hours, say for example, from 12 noon to 11:59 p.m., that's considered one cycle. And then from 12 o'clock midnight up to 11:59 a.m., that's considered another cycle. So, in a day, we can have 2 cycles. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, 7 sales bonus per cycle times 2 cycle per day is equivalent to 14 sales bonus per cycle. So, with our computation that you're seeing on my screen right now, that's 2,100 times 7 equals 14,700 pesos times 2 cycles per day. That's 29,400 pesos per day. Per day pa lang po yan. We have 30 days in a month. So, pag binultiply mo ang 29,400 pesos, that's going to amount to 882,000 pesos per month. Diba? So, if you're going to do this business, you might as well do the business properly and i-maximize mo na yung potential income mo. Kaya marami po ang nagmo-multiple heads or kumukuha ng 3 heads or 7 heads. Kasi nga, kung may 882,000 pesos per month ka at kumuha ka ng 3 accounts, i-times mo sa 3, kung lahat yon yung 3 heads mo na yun ay kikita ng ganito, magkano po yung aabutin ng 882,000 pesos per month mo sa 3 accounts kung ita-times 3 natin yan. Okay. So, ang total po niyan, kapag 3 heads ka, you can earn up to 2,640,600,000 pesos. So, yun po yung pwede nyo kitain kung may 3 heads ka. And kung meron ka namang 7 heads, kumuha ka ng 7 heads, kasi talagang nakita mo, bright ang future mo dito. So, you went for a 7 heads program. So, you're going to get an income of 6,174,000 pesos kung may 7 accounts ka. Kasi kung tatrabahuhin mo na lang naman ito, same effort lang. Pero kung may 7 accounts ka na nag-aantay na maximum income potential ng ganito, 6 million a month. Diba? Marami kang magagawa sa 6 million a month. Marami kang maibibigay na tulong. Lalo na sa mga taong gusto mo talagang tulungan. Plus, nakikita nyo po dyan, 882,000 per month plus multi-level rebates. Kasi, pupunta na po tayo sa susunod nating way of earning sa N-World, which is what we call the team sales rebate. So, as you can see, diba, nakikita nyo po yung mga different groups dyan. So, ikaw, let's say for example, sa sobrang ganda ng business mo, ang dami talagang nag-join sa'yo at ang dami talagang ginawa din yung business. So, magkakaroon na ng mga group sales, okay? So, you have like, 10 groups under your team A. Tapos sa team B mo, you'll have like 5 groups under your team B. So, eto na po yung multi-level program natin. Okay, you will earn sales rebates and overrides from the multi-level points. If you can remember yung slide na pinakita ko po kanina, we have product points and we have multi-level points. So, bawat product, bawat package na binibenta po natin, may equivalent po yan na multi-level points. Now, sa multi-level program po natin, let's say for example, ito po yung level natin. From novice, apprentice, professional, expert, master, you get a percentage, okay? You get to enjoy a percentage of the multi-level rebates. So, let's say for example, ang multi-level program po natin ay ganito. Kung naging master ka na, so let's say for example to 35% ang total, diba, na multi-level rebates. So, kung naging master ka na, ganito po magiging computation dyan. Sa mga novice mo na downline, okay, you will enjoy 30% override, okay, from the multi-level points that they have. And then from sa mga apprentice naman, kay mga apprentice ka dyan na downline, you'll get 20% from their override from their multi-level points. Pag professional naman, you get 10%, and then pag expert, you get 5%, okay? So, ito po yung table na susundan lang natin. So, ang mga professional, we get 10% kapag nasa master level ka na. And then sa expert, you get 5%. So, ito po, yan po yung naka-illustrate dito. Pag na-reach mo yung level ng pagiging master, so meron din mga corresponding points na kailangan mong ma-hit, okay, for you to move to that certain kind of level. And pag nagkataon po na lahat ng mga downlines mo, lahat sila ay naging master na din, then you will get 3% override na sa mga multi-level points po nila. So, kung lahat yan master na. Pero kung may mga novice ka, may apprentice ka, may professional ka, may expert ka, kasi pwedeng iba-iba pong level yan. Pag bagong pasok, syempre magsisimula sa novice. Pag medyo talagang magaling at talagang siniseryoso ang negosyo, pwedeng mag-move up kagad sa master. So, ito po yung makukuha nyo sa mga master. You'll get 3%. So, ito po yung multi-level program natin na after sa pagiging master, pwede pa po tayong mag-move sa level ng pagiging mentor, wherein you enjoy 40% from your multi-level rebates. And then high mentor, you get 45%, okay, from your multi-level rebates. Grand mentor, you get to enjoy 50%. And then great grand mentor, you get to enjoy 55%. At ang pinakamataas po na level is alpha mentor, which is 60% multi-level rebates that you're going to enjoy. Okay, so let's just give you this, this computation. So let's say, for example, nasa master level ka. So that's equivalent to 35% of your multi-level rebates, diba? And yung multi-level points mo ay umabot ng 100,000 multi-level points. So i-times po natin yan sa 35%, okay? Magkano po yan? That's 35,000 pesos. So, sa group sales mo na to, tsaka even sa personal sales mo, meaning, kumbaga, pinagtulong-tulungan na to ng mga groups, ng mga downlines, ng mga sumali sa team mo. So, it's very important din talaga that we share this business to other people and we teach them how to do the business. Kasi later on, sa multi-level program po natin, pare-pareho po natin mapapakinabangan yung multi-level rebates po. So, sa master level pa lang po yan. Now, let's move on to alpha mentor. So, let's say, for example, nandun ka na sa alpha mentor. You get 60%, okay, from the multi-level rebates ng group sales ng team mo. Ang multi-level points mo, kahit 100,000 multi-level points lang yan, kung nasa 60% ka, times mo sa times mo sa 60%. Okay, so pag times mo sa 60%, then that's 60,000 pesos. Diba? Sa multi-level rebates lang po yan. In addition pa po yan, dun sa binary program na pwede mo pong kitain yung kinompute po natin kanina. Okay, so that's how our multi-level rebates or multi-level program work. Okay, so yung network structure po natin will be based on sponsorship. Okay, and then ang rebates and overrides are computed on multi-level points. So, computed po siya based sa multi-level points po na nakukuha natin. Then, wala po itong time frame, walang demotion, at wala rin pong spin-off, and we only have a minimal monthly maintenance for our multi-level program. Okay? So, let's go naman to the third part, which is the incentive program. So, sa incentive program po natin, we have what we call our travel incentive. Okay? Kung sino yung mahilig dyan na mag-travel, or nangangarap na makapunta sa UAE, sa Japan, and even sa Europe. Okay, we have what we call the travel incentive program. Now, sa UAE po natin na travel incentive, this is from August 1 to October 31, ang sales cut-off po natin. So, kung napapanood mo ngayon itong video presentation na ito, itong business presentation ng N-World, mag-isip-isip ka na. Kasi, kung August 1 to magsisimula, magtatapos na ng October 31. So, kung patatagalin mo pa yung pag-decide mo sa pagsalo, sa pag-join, sa paggawa nitong business na to, matatagalan din yung pag-iipon mo nung sales target mo para ma-hit mo yung UAE travel incentive. So, kung gusto mo makasama sa UAE travel incentive, now is the time for you to decide to join us, to join our team, okay? So, fill upan mo na kagad yung registration form and isipin mo na kagad kung ilang heads bang kukunin mo kung gagawin mo talaga itong business na to and you really want to be part of the UAE travel incentive program. So with the UAE Travel Incentive Program, you just have to hit the sales target, and we will discuss to you the sales target para mas maintindihan mo kung paano mo ma-hit yung UAE travel incentive. Now, for Japan naman, we have the cut-off from November 1 to January 31. So, mas maganda, sumali ka na ngayon para makapag-ipon ka na, di ba? Ng sales target mo para sa November 1 to January 31. And, kung ikaw, gustong-gusto mo makapunta sa sa Europe, and for you to have the European travel incentive, this is starting from August 1 to April 30. Yan po yung sales cut-off. So, it's very critical. August pa lang ngayon. So, kung ngayon ka pala sasali, first week, second week ng August, malaki-laki yung chance mo na makasama ka sa European travel incentive as long as you did the business and as long as you focus on hitting the sales target. Okay? So, that's it. Ayan yung 3 ways to earn natin for us to be able to have the financial rewards for being an N-World independent distributor. Now, guys, if you have any questions at all, our contact details are flashing on your screen. Okay, you can contact us through our FB page or through our FB accounts. You can contact us through our website. You can contact us through email, and you can also, SMS or Viber us. Any form of communication that you could communicate with us if you're really interested in doing this business or being part of this, newest and biggest opportunity that we'll have in the MLM industry here in the Philippines. It's, now is the time. Right timing, right company, right leadership, right team. Kumbaga, lahat na right. Ikaw na lang ang mag-make ng decision whether this one is really right for you. Okay? So, I'd like to thank you for watching the whole business presentation, and I hope that you got inspired. So, kung hindi ka man mapaisip na mapasala dito and you feel that, this is not for you and next time na lang, thank you pa rin for watching. And I hope, someday, pag right timing na sa'yo, that you would be able to go back and watch this video presentation again and finally make that decision to join us. Okay, so good luck, and we'll be looking forward for your inquiries, guys, and we'll be happy to help to answer any questions that you might have from our team. So once again, this is Lourdes Galang from Unstoppable World Team, and welcome to N-World. Thank you!